Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the tie rod ends on this 2005 Toyota Camry. Alright guys, this is how you check your tie rods. You're going to jack up your car, you're going to put your hands on 9 and 3 and just see if there's any movement. See how loose this is? I'm doing this with barely any. Up and down is not too bad, that's your ball joints, but these tie rods are pretty sharp. So let's take this wheel off. Alright guys, so this is your outer tie rod. That's your inner tie rod in here. We're just going to change this one for now. So first thing you got to do is loosen up this 19mm nut. Let's do that. Alright, you just want to break it loose. You don't want to loosen it, okay? Next you want to take off this castle nut down here. And this should have a cotter pin. This is what a cotter pin looks like. And this one's missing, I don't know why. But get yourself a 17mm wrench and get that nut off. Now you want to hit the knuckle here to make it come loose. You can also hit it from the bottom here because we're going to replace this anyway, so it doesn't matter if you mess up the threads. So. There you go. Alright, now you want to count the number of threads, so number of turns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, 13. All right, now is a good time to check your inner tie rod. And this one is completely shot pretty much. So we're gonna do this in another video. But for now, let's go over here and check out the new tie rods. All right, so this is the old one, okay. And this is the number, the part number. So that's the left side, driver's side, 80603, and then the other side is 80602 for the passenger side. Okay. This is what the new one looks like, same as the other one, and it comes with a new castle nut and a cotter pin, and also a fitting for the grease. So this is gonna screw right in here. If you can see what I'm doing here. You're gonna screw this in right there and take a little 7mm and tighten it up. Okay, once you tighten it up, fill it with grease. Alright guys, you're gonna put this on and do 13 turns, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay. Tie right in there. Put the new castle nut, and this one's 18mm. Cotter pin. And spread it out. Alright, now you gotta tighten up the nut. Alright, we put the wheel back on, and you're gonna repeat the process on the other side. And that's how you do outer tie rods on a Toyota Camry. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.